Now screen is visible, friend. Let me know that voice, screen.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
Ravi,
you
all clear.
audible.
Okay. So now, so this is what servlet, right? Servlet. What is that? Servlet. Here, right? Just normal by seeing that this one, right? By seeing that here, what we are giving that with fully qualified name we are giving, right? With package name, right? In which package we are writing this servlet, right? Just think about that com.rk dot. What is that? Vote, right? VOT vote, just vote I'm writing, right? Dot, what is that? What is that? Voter servlet. Just voter servlet, right? Voter servlet, okay na? So like that we are writing or not, right? We are writing like this only, right? Okay, I will move this one. Okay, so we are writing like this, right? So we are writing like this. I will explain each and everything, friend. Don't worry about that, right? Don't worry about that. Okay, na? I will explain about this one, this XML configuration also internally. What our IOC container, sorry, IOC container, our servlet container is doing, right? So after then, what is that URL? Sorry, servlet. What is that mapping, right? Mapping inside that what we are doing that inside that what we are doing that, okay, inside that again we are doing that this one, right? This one only, right? This one only, okay. So this one, okay, this name and this name must be same, right? Why I will tell now, I will tell what today you people will get real things, right? Real things, why we are writing this descriptor and how internally our IOC container, sorry, servlet container is doing. Now again what we are doing that URL hyphen, what is that? Pattern, right? Pattern inside that, what is that? How many type we can give? Directory match, extension match, and exact match, right? Exact match URLs are there, right? So just I'm giving what vote vote I'm giving, right? Vote I'm giving it, then URL hyphen what pattern, right? Now I'm closing now. Web app, this is the root Alman, what is that? Web hyphen, what is that? App, right? Web hyphen app, inside that here web hyphen app close. Web hyphen app is a close now. Okay, so let's understand, right? Like that, like this we are configuring, right? Like this we are configuring what? Our outer servlet, right? So now, okay, so let's understand inside that, in the core concept, right? In the core Java, what we are doing that, if we want to create, right? If we want to create object, right? If we want to create our object, right? Object, how we are creating, like just think about that, this is the core, normal core Java application. Voter servlet is normal core Java application. So if we want to create object of what? Voter servlet. So how we are creating that? How we are creating that? Voter servlet, voter servlet, right? Voter servlet, right? So here some reference name we are taking, right? We are taking, right? So here just I'm taking what? Voter. Reference name I'm taking what? Voter, right? Equal to we are taking what? We are taking what? Reference name, new operator, right? Again voter, voter servlet, right? Now like that we are creating the object in the core Java, right? In the core Java we are creating like this object only, right? So same things. So based on this configuration, what's happening here, right? So this internally inside that container based on the fully package name with the class name, right? This like that internally in the container, like this will become, and whatever logical name we are giving, this name we are giving, based on this name, right? Based on this name, this reference name is becoming, right? This name is becoming, okay. So This things is creating the object about what our servlet component. And this map with this map of, right, this map of about what request. Whenever we are making the request, that request is comes under what URL format, right? URL format. So for example, just what is that? http colon localhost, just localhost, just think about the voter dot dot dot, just I'm giving what dot 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 slash slash what is that, slash voter, right? Voter URL is there, right? So from the browser, whenever we are making the request, right? Whenever we are making the request, right? So our based on this URL, right? It's checking that, right? It's checking that URL. Okay, this one is matched, right? This one is the matched in the web.xml. Based on that, why we are giving the same name, both same name, because of that. Okay, so internally our container is creating the object. Okay, so this request is coming from further this component. After by seeing this one, right, by seeing this one, okay, directly our container is going to this servlet, right? Like that, by this one, right? Like this. Okay na? So because of that, it's meaning that oh, this request is coming for this servlet object, right? This object, right? So because of that, we are giving the both places same name. Agar if we give different name, if we give different name, right? If we give different name, then our container will not instantiate this class, and our execution will fail. So now I think you people got the point why we are writing the same name about that. Because our Java application don't know about that what URL. How, who know that URL? Our server is knowing that, right? But our Java application don't know. So we have need to convert that URL based on that what in the means in which component we are making the request, right? In which component we are making the request. But our Java application indirectly or indirectly object is creating here. But here what we are doing, that developer is not creating the object. Who is creating the object? Container is creating the object. Who means web container is creating the object, right? Developer responsibility. Whenever we are doing the high level programming, there we are not bother about the creating the object. Our container is creating the object. But here who is creating the object? Here our web container is creating the object. Just we are making the request and we are taking the response, means we are taking the result only, right? We are taking the result. So now the clear picture, I think I am able to give the clear picture about what servlet descriptor, right? Means web.xml configuration meaning. I think I able to give a clear picture to you people, right? So now let's develop one application. Our application will check, right? Will still some discussion is there. Why I'm going to write this servlet application? Please listen carefully. And after then I need to do practical also. You people also, right? You people also to do practical, right? So because of that, right, my energy should not be best friend. Okay now, my energy should not be, I'm delivering good things to you people. Whoever utilize it, definitely, right? Definitely success is there. Definitely success is there. Little bit seriousness is there then. But I know you people is serious only because in the group, right? So many people, near about Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and everywhere near about 1,000 to 1,000 people is there. But only 13 member is there, means you people is serious only, right? So don't worry about that. Okay, so now based on this diagram and till now analysis, let's create one project and we will develop the application, right? Okay, so now I'm opening the what, our Eclipse ID. So now I'm going to create one. I'm not going to create what Maven project. Just I'm taking what normal project. So now what we will do now, file, new. Okay, na dynamic web project. Take the dynamic web project. Inside that, give the name, right? Give the name. What is that? What we decided it, voter application. Voter application. Now next If you want to generate ourself only web.xml, then select it. If you don't want, don't select. So just I want to select. Okay, now finish it. Okay, so now the project is created, right? Now project is created now. Okay, so now see, come inside that. Yeah. Okay, so now, okay, so let's develop it. Okay, so come here, okay, now come here. So what I said, that inside that web inf we will take what classes, one folder we will take it, right? So inside that, just right click new, take one folder, right? Take one folder, that is the what, class classes, right? Now finish it. Okay, so this is what, inside that we will write, uh, inside web inf all things is what, private, right? So this is what, web.xml only. I will delete, if I will delete the web.xml, front of you people only I will develop. Okay now, so already, so I don't want to you people confused, right? Just I'm deleting each and everything, right? Each and everything I'm deleting inside that web.xml only, right? Okay, so let's develop the class, right? Let's develop the class. Okay, now right click new class. Okay, so here I'm giving what, com dot rk dot voter. Now voter what, voter servlet, right? Voter servlet. Okay, so now finish it. After so long time onward, I'm going to develop servlet application. Okay, so now, okay, fine. So if we want to make this one what as a servlet, what is that? We will extend what, HTTP, right? Someone is, please unmute yourself. Nasima, please unmute yourself. Extend what is that? HTTP servlet, right? Oh, sorry, not servlet. Are Nasima, if you're not serious about yourself, why you are joining, man? Please mute yourself. You are watching the TV and after then listening the things. What is the use, yeah? Okay, I only mute yourself. Okay, so now Alt Shift S plus O. So what is that? We will take just what post do post method, right? I'm taking what do post method only here. No need these things, okay? HTTP servlet and a request and a response, right? Just this one just I'm making what public only. Public. Okay. So now inside that if we want to trap the request, right? If we want to trap the request, so okay, I did one mistake, friend. Okay, na. So before developing, let's develop the UI page, right? Before developing this one, right? Let's develop this UI page. Then we can make the request. Okay. So then we can decide how we will develop this one. So where we will write in the public area. This is the what private area, right? So right click on the web content, new here only. What we will do now? What we will do now? We will go in the others, right? In the other we will select what html file. Inside that we will write what, just input dot html, right? Input dot what html. So okay, so I'm going to write it. Okay now. So what we will do now, we will design this form, right? We will design this form only, right? Just we will design this form. So how we will design it? Form inside that form, what we will do now, just name. I'm taking what, name pre tag. Inside the pre tag I'm taking, because it will make the problem if I'm not taking the pre. Okay, so what is that? Name colon, right? Input type equal to, right? Input type equal to text name equal to, we will decide it, right? We will decide it. Second one is what, age. Second one is what, age. These two input, just right, these two input. After then we have need to click, right? Click. So for that, what we will do now, input type equal to submit, value equal to submit. Okay na. So this is what, okay, so fine. Hey, what, value equal to submit. Okay na. So this is what, this is our form. This is our form we created now. Okay na. So inside that, what we will take, just I'm taking what, age, name, just one name input, name, and what is that, age, right? Age. Okay, so this is that, this two input we are taking that. Yes. Okay, this is the form and these are the inputs, right? These are the inputs only. Okay, so come here. Okay, come here, come inside that. What is that? What we will do now? So print writer, we will take the what, print writer, request dot what, get. get writer, right? Sorry, get writer. Okay, so after getting the writer, after getting that, what we will do now? Okay, so two string is coming right now. String name equal to null, and what is that? Age equal to null. Yeah, I'll take yeah, mime type also, don't worry about that. Okay, so after then what we will do now? Res dot, what is that? Res dot what? Set content type, right? Content type. Inside that, what is that? To represent our data, text slash, what is that? HTML. I want it in the HTML form, right? I want our data in the HTML form. So for that we are setting the what? Mime type. Okay, after then what we will do now? We will read it. So how we will read? The data? How we will? So for that, one more, I'm taking one more integer. Int, what is that? Age 1, just I'm taking age 1 equal to 0. Just here I'm taking that age 1 equal to 0. Based on that we will write the logic. Okay, we will write the logic. So for that, what is that? req request dot get parameter. Right? Get parameter, what is that parameter? In the, what we are taking the name, right? So we will read this name here only. We will read that name inside that argument, right? So this one will return what? String data, right? String. So what is that? I already taken name, right? So name I already taken. So what we will do now? Just we will hold that one. Okay, we will assign this one. After then one more. What is that? Age is there, right? Age is there. Okay, so if age is there, what is that? Request dot what? Get parameter, right? Get parameter. Okay, na? After then what is that? Input. What is the input? Age is the input only, right? So we will pass this age here. Okay, as an input. Okay, so now, but this is a both, whenever string also, whatever things we are making as a request from the browser, everything is comes under what? String format only, right? String format only. So if we want to convert, right, if we want to convert this string, right, if we want to convert this strings in the integer format, so what we will do now? Okay, so for that, what is the integer? The dot pass. What we will do now? Integer dot pass. Integer dot what? Pass int, right? Pass int. Inside that, what we will do now? Just this age we will pass it, right? This age we will pass inside this argument, right? After then what will happen? It will return what? Age 1, right? Age 1, this one will become what? Age 1 means the, here what is that? Integer. We will get the age as a what? Integer only. So after then what we will do now? We will write the logic. Okay na? We will write the logic. Okay na? So what? Write logic? If we will check the condition, if, right? If and else block, right? Else block, we will take two blocks here. Okay, so inside that else block, what we will do now? If age greater than 18, right? Greater than or equal to 18. So for that, what we will do now? Oh, this one, right? This is one. Sorry, it's my mistake. This is the age. Here is string. Here integer is there, right? Here integer is there. Yes. So now here what we will do now? Here just what is that? PW print writer. We will take this reference, right? PW dot what? Print. We will call the print Print ln method, right? Print ln method. Inside that we will just write it, right? We will write the HTML, just h1 in the h1 style. Just I'm writing style also. Style equal to color colon colon red, right? Color colon red. So after then what we will do now, plus name, right? Name, what is that? Name only, right? Name, okay. Name of this name and you are eligible for vote. Fine. So this is one of one, and another one, you are not eligible for vote. The name, sorry, green, right? We will take the green, green, and this one we will take red only. Okay, na? You are not. Okay, just this one only. After then what we will do now, we will close the print writer, right? Here what we will do now, pw dot close. So now our logic is, servlet logic is now completed now. Okay, now our servlet logic is completed now. Okay, so now come to, so but directly our web container will not instantiate this class, right? So what we will do now, we have need to configure in what web.xml also or not. Okay, so open the web.xml. Inside that, what is that? Servlet. Inside that servlet, what is that? Servlet name is there, right? Servlet name. After then another one is what? Servlet class is there. There are two tags are there, right? Inside that, just I'm giving what? Voter. After then what is that? This class name with fully packaged name, right? This class name with fully packaged name. Then just copy it and paste it here, right? Paste it here. Okay, so now copy this one and paste it here, right? Paste it here. Okay, fine. So second one is what? Second one is what? Servlet mapping. Servlet mapping. Inside that servlet mapping, what is that? Servlet voter, right? Servlet name. Another one is what? URL pattern. Inside that voter, just app, right? Here just I'm giving this same name. Okay, now so now our application is ready now. Okay, shall we see now? Or you people want welcome file also? Welcome like input, no need to give the request of what input. Okay, so what we will do now, welcome file, I'm configuring welcome also, right? Here I'm giving. So what is that? Welcome file. Inside that file list. Okay, now so what we will do now, input.html, right? Just by running the application it will come. Okay, na? So now let's run the application. Yeah, we got, right? We got it, but I don't want to run. I want to run on the browser. So here what I'm doing, that just I'm taking my name only. After then here age just 27, right? Now submit it. Hmm? Result is not coming. It's going now. Okay, it's my mistake only. Okay, come here, right? So what we will do now here, what we decided it here, what we decided it come in the web.xml, right? However, this is the URL, right? This is the URL only, right? So in the web.xml, right? In the web.xml we decided, but in the form we are not given, right? Here action, we will give the action here, right? After then what method? Post. Fine. Okay. So now, because of that, we are not getting the response. Okay, na? Yes, Manjulata. Really, you are too much active. It's really good, very good. Okay, na? Keep it up. Keep it up. Definitely success is there. Okay. So now, again, let's run the application. Now refresh it back. Just yeah. See, Ravikant Tripathi, you are eligible for vote, right? We got it, right? We got it. So no, I want to give one link also, right? To by clicking that link in the servlet, right? In the servlet, where the servlet come here, right? Just I'm giving one a link also here. Here I can give a. I forgot to give the link. How we can give it? Anybody please suggest me? I think I wrote correct, right? HRF A tag, HRF. Yeah, I given correct, right? Suraj. Yeah, thank you, Suraj. Like that only I given, right? Means I'm the correct only, right? After so long time onward, 3 to 4 years onward, I'm writing directly servlet application, which because of that I'm stucking. Okay, na. But to explain the Spring Embassy, it's need, friend. Without servlet, we can't. Because of that, I'm doing this one. Okay. Yeah, I got it, right? I got it. Now click that. Click on that. Here. Just I'm giving what? Pankaj. Pankaj, right? Pankaj. Just I'm giving 17 years. 17 years. He is not eligible. See, Pankaj, you are not eligible for vote, right? So now click on the home again. Again, what is that? Pankaj. Another one is what? Suraj. Suraj, right? Suraj, what is that? Just 18 years. See, now 18 years completed now. Okay. Suraj, you are eligible for vote. Now again click it, right? Padma. Padma. Okay, na? Padma, just 19 I'm giving, right? 19C also, what is that? Eligible for vote. Another person, what is that? Raj. Raj, just what is that? 21 I'm giving, right? Now she is also eligible, right? Like this only, right? Like this only. So what we are doing that whenever we are making the request, who is trapping directly here? Who is trapping the request? Okay. I will explain what is the function of welcome file inside the web.xml. Okay. Don't worry about that. Just I'm going to write. See, just see carefully, right? Just see carefully. Okay. So what I'm doing that just now, Eclipse ID, right? Eclipse ID. See, this is the Eclipse ID is there, right? You can understand, right? Eclipse ID is there. So now I'm running just what I'm doing that. Okay, so nothing is there, right? It's just I'm running the application. Now I'm running the application, right? So now I'm running the application. So you got right. Based on the running the application, you got this screen or not, right? Because but what I'm doing that just I'm deleting this one, right? I'm just deleting welcome file. I'm deleting in the web.xml, right? I'm deleting in the web.xml. Now I'm running the application. Now I'm running the application. Okay, see that difference. See here, just we are getting the URL, right? Just we are getting the URL. If we want to form, right, then we have make input.html, right? Input.html, then this form is coming, but if we configure web.xml, we don't have need to explicitly, right? We don't have need explicitly to make this request, right? Then this is the difference, okay na? Because of that we are using what? Welcome file. Now I think you got the point, right? So so the things is now we are totally about the conclusion of what? Conclusion of say servlet, right? So now what we are doing that here see that, right? Here see that here means developer making the request, it's going to direct where in the servlet, right? Servlet is processing the response and it's sending the request, right? It's sending the request, it's taking the request and it's sending the response, right? So same like now I'm going to introduce, but this is this call is called what? This call is called what? HTTP, right? This call is called what? HTTP, right? Based on the HTTP we are making the request and we are getting the response, right? So here how many types of now, so let's understand, right? How many types of HTTP methodology is there, right? How many way we can what? Make HTTP request, right? So now I'm going to start what? Now I'm going to start what? Spring MVC. Please listen carefully. Now my basic things is completed. Now still if anybody having doubt in this servlet application, please unmute yourself and ask your doubt. I will explain, right? I will explain those things, but based on this explanation, my initial spring MVC initial explanation is there. So still if anybody having doubt, let me know that, friend. I will explain again. Please unmute yourself if anybody having any doubt. Okay. Yes, Raj. Can you again explain execution flow? Okay. Difference between do post and do get. Okay, Manjulata and Raj, I will explain it, right? Do get, right? Do get, whenever we are sending the form data, right? Whenever we are sending the form data, this form data is secure or not, right? If we use the get method, right? So now, okay, just in the same application only, right? In the same application, okay, na? In the same application, okay, come here. In the same application, what I'm doing that here, just I'm taking what? Get, right? Get here, right? In the form only. So but still I have need to increase one method here, otherwise I can't, right? I can't. So what I'm doing that inside, because we will get the exception if we make the request as a like a get and here the method is post, then we will get the error, right? Because of that I'm overriding alt shift s plus v, right? I'm overriding what? Do get method, okay na? Do get method. Inside this do get method, what I'm doing that